Oh wow, major protein. Bloody hell, 46 grams of goodness. Better knife would be good, wouldn't it? Oh, you spilled it as well. I'll be honest with you, this one just looks like slop. Why am I sitting behind a pile of cans that makes me look chronically single? I'm going to show you a brilliant way to make some cheap camping foods. Now you've obviously seen them Wayfarer meals. They come between 300 to 400 calories and they cost £6 a bag. These, however, they're heavy, but I will show you how to reduce the weight. So I'm going to be trying these out one by one over the next week and I will give you a rating. So let's take a look at how we can actually take one of these camping easily. So these are called Mylar bags. Sorry if I'm teaching anyone to suck eggs here, but I'm going to go through the basics. You can get these very cheap. I actually saw 100 on Temu just now for £6, so that would be 6p each. The advantages of this, you decant the can into the bag. Don't really need it that big, could have a little bit smaller. And then what you're going to do is take a pot. I've got a 750 milliliter titanium pot. It's absolutely perfect for this. You just cram it in here, cover it with water, bring it to the boil, let it have a rolling boil for a minute or two, and then it's done. It's all heated through inside, and the water you've got in the pan can be used for a cup of tea or something. You don't need to waste anything. It saves you on washing up and it's easy. Now these are sealed at the moment. Now as soon as I unseal these and put them in the bag, they'll need to be eaten within a day or two. So I would do this the day that you're going out. Obviously I'm thinking of camping, but if you're going for a day trip or something and you want a hot meal, it's a perfect solution. I think I'll try the Irish stew today and give you my verdict. Now this is the Tesco version and this says it is 398 calories in total. Okay, it looks really good. It looks nice and thick. I was just reading it's high in protein, so you're getting 23 grams of protein, which is really good. Salt is 1.7 grams, so it's not too bad salt wise. I'm not blown away by it. There's a distinct lack of flavour, I would say. I feel like it needs more salt. I feel like companies are doing this, reducing their salt, so it's not so bad then. I personally put a bit of salt and pepper in this myself. I'm giving this one today, let's call it 6 out of 10. Chicken jalfrezi this time. So we've got, let's see, protein. Oh wow, major protein. Bloody hell, 46 grams of protein for a can. And then we're talking nearly 300 calories of goodness. So, I mean, it looks good. It smells good. Way better. Way better. Wow. Wow. If you like spicy, that's the one. 9.5 out of 10. Brilliant. Welcome back. Right, today I'm trying for dinner smoky butternut and bean casserole. Vegan option. Now looking at the stats, it's probably one of the least good for you. 177 calories per half a can, so what is it, 350 calories. It's not a lot. Salt is 2.8 grams, that's a lot of salt. But it does say 2 of your 5 a day in half a can. So you're getting 4 of your 5 a day there. So you're getting your vegetables, I guess. It tastes pretty good. You can taste that salt in it. Feels a little bit too salty. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. Pretty good. Today on the menu I've got chicken in white sauce. So this is, the main thing I'm looking at is the calories, because you want high calories, low weight. So it is, that'll be 520 calories in this, really calorific. Salt is quite low, 2.4 grams of salt, so it's quite high. And protein, wow, crazy amount of protein. 50, my maths is terrible. 54 grams of protein, right? Let's give us a try. 54 grams, that's huge. Feels very calorific. That's nice. For something so plain, it's just chicken in sauce. It's a tidy meal. I give that 8 out of 10. We're back again. Right, Stagg chili. Got high hopes for this because it's a brand we all know. Chili con carne. Let's look at the stats. So 540 calories. That is huge. Ooh, salt is bad. 3.6 grams. You're only supposed to have 6 grams a day. That's why I keep checking this salt. Protein 28. Not bad for that. Very good. It's not the best of the bunch, it's Friday, but it's really nice. I'll give it an 8. It's very nice. Okay, so let's look at the difference. If you're carrying just plain can like this one's 441 grams. So we'll decant it. We'll put it in this Mylar bag now. See what the difference is. Okay, so that's all in the bag now. It's got 378 grams, so you're saving a whopping 100 grams there. And it saves on washing up, and it's worth doing. It's worth doing, definitely. Right, last meal, and I can get back to eating like a normal person. One note with these, you can actually seal them and then rip them open afterwards, but if we're just using them like this, it's going to be used that day, there's no point. It's got a sort of a ziplock there. So instead of opening that, get a knife, just cut it just above the food. Oh, look at that, messiest job ever. Right, better knife than that. So this is the last one. This is beef bolognese made by Tesco. Contains 1.6 grams of salt. Quite low calories this one. It is about 350 calories. And protein, another important one, 28 grams of protein. That's quite good. I'll be honest with you, this one just looks like slop. But it's pretty nice actually. I feel like we need to add something to this. We've always got the option with, you could boil up some spaghetti or something, and it takes away the point of this boiling the bag sort of thing. So if I'm saying it just a meal on its own, it's not great. Let's give it 6.5. I don't think you'd want to eat this on its own. So that's it. Hope I've given you some tips there. It's a really good idea. I think the most expensive can I bought was £2.25. They go from like £1.50 to £3, so it's going to be less than half of buying a Wayfarer meal type of thing, or army rations. And it's a really good idea. Boil in the bag, nice and simple.